Yes, students, we are today we are starting with question number 5, that is simplify. Simplify means your answer should be simple. You have to simplify as much as you can. Means further no simplification should be there. Then your answer is correct. Now see, firstly, 27x raised to power minus 3 and whole power 1 by 3. It means 1 by 3 also belongs to x and also belongs to 27. Firstly, what we have to do? This outside powers denominator is 3. Sorry for, yes, now it is visible. Why it is not visible? Now it is visible. This outsider power is 1 by 3. So you have to make inside also the power 3. This x is having already 3, but this 27 is not having 3. So 27, how we can write 3 into 3 into 3. And x I will write downside because its power is a negative. I will do its reciprocal. If I told you yesterday, if numerator is having negative power, then numerator can go in denominator, power will become positive. If downside power is negative, you can take it to upper side, means reciprocal. Now outside power is 1 by 3. 3 is written how many times? 3 times. X is also written 3 times. This is also having power 3, this is also having power 3. So power we will take common. Both have, bracket means both have common power 3, and outside power is also 1 by 3. 3 and 3 cut. So you left with 3 over x. Now come to the next question. P is having power 3, outside power 4 by 3. We have to make whole power 3. P is already having power 3. 64 should also be written in power of 3. 64 can be split into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 up to so on. But we have to make power 3. So how we can make it in terms of 3? We can write it like this. So you will write 4 raised to power 3. P raised to power 3. 4 raised to power 3. 4 is also having power 3. P is also having power 3. So 4 and P together have common power 3. And outside power is 4 by 3. 3 and 3 cut. You left with 4P raised to power 4. Means bracket, whole bracket means this power belongs to both digits. It means 4 should also written 4 times. P should also written 4 times. 4 raised to power 4. It means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 for the 16, for the 64, for the 256, and P raised to power 4. Because P into P into P into P is P raised to power 4. Now see to this question. 243 you have to write 5 times. How we can write it? I told you. Minus 3. Minus you can take common, or you can write minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 5 times. Minus 3 will go outside. Minus 3 is written how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And outside power 2 by 5, 5 and 5 cut. 3 and 3 cut. But left minus 2. Here you can also do like, you can do its reciprocal. Then you can write 1 over x ki whole power 3. Then after next step you can also cut. And this method you can also adopt. Minus 3 raised to power 2. X raised to power minus 2. Power is in negative. Only power should be negative. This negative should, term ka negative you have ignore. Only you have to see power is in negative, then do reciprocal. Minus 3 should be written 2 times. And this x will go in denominator so that its power can become positive. Now minus 3 and minus 3. Minus minus cut in multiply. 3 3 is the 9 and x square. So the answer is 9 over x square. Now come to next. These questions see carefully before going to do. I would like to tell you that I told you the rules. 2 root 3. If 2 is there, it means it is square root. And this 2 power, in terms of power, how you can write this root? 1 by 2. if 3 is there, it means cube root. So in term of power, root can be written as 1 over 3. It is fourth root. If you want to remove the root, how you can write it in power? 1 by 4. It will become root का 1 and which root? 5. Root 1 by 5. सेकेंड रूट को यू कैन राइट 1 by 2. अगर 3 है तो यू कैन राइट पावर 1 by 3. अगर फोर्थ और रूट है तो यू कैन राइट 1 by 4. अगर 5 वाला रूट है तो यू कैन राइट 1 by 5. इट इज नोन एज फिफ्थ रूट. सो हेयर रूट के साथ क्या है? 3 क्यूब रूट है. तो इन टर्म्स ऑफ पावर हाउ वी कैन राइट इट? इट विल बिकम 1 by 3. विच रूट इट इज? फोर्थ रूट. In terms of power, we have to remove the root and we write it into terms of power. Now same, if you want to do reciprocal, you can do reciprocal, and if you want to firstly solve it, then you can solve. This whole power 1 by 3 means it also belongs to x, also belongs to y, and also belongs to z. So I will, because these cannot be split, we cannot make power 3 of all. X की already power 6, x cannot be split into power 3. So what I will do, this power will multiply with the each term. Firstly I will multiply it with x, then it will come to next digit y, then it will come to next digit z, bracket. Similarly here, this 1 by 4 power will come to each term. Firstly, it will multiply with first term x raised to power 4, then multiply with second term y raised to power 8, then multiply third term z raised to power minus 4, bracket. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, but minus is left. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. We left with x square, y raised to power minus 3, and z raised to power 4 divided by, here 4 and 4 cut, x, 4 2s the 8, y raised to power 2, and 4 and 4 also cut, z raised to power minus is left, minus 1. Now I will make the power positive. What I will do, I will do its reciprocal, or you can take it in the denominator. Simply I told you, power is a negative, it will go down, then power will become positive. Z raised to power 1 means you have to write z only one time, so simply I would write it z. Now this is also a fraction, also a fraction. Now fraction cannot be divided, or you can say what we will do, change divide into multiply. Whenever you are putting multiply, whenever you are changing divide into multiply, you have to do reciprocal with that step. See, x is, here x is 2 time, here x is 1 time. So 1x is cut, you left with 1x. X and z, 4 multiply by z. Z is having which power? How many times it is written? 1 time. So z is having power 1. Y raised to power 3, y raised to power 2. Bases are same, powers will be added. Bases are same, powers will be added. This is the answer.